What is going on, guys? So I am on a call for a tire change on the side of I-75 for a 2014 black Chevy Cruze. I called up the customer and let him know how far out I am, so he's waiting for me up on the side of the interstate. So did it say what tire is? Driver front. Oh, great. So let's go ahead and get to this customer and get his tire changed out. How's it going? Alright, on site. Gotta love it when you have a flat tire. Alright. Yeah. Alright, if I can get a signature real quick and I'll get it.
Gotcha. Want me to get a spare out of the back?
Yeah, go ahead.
I just got a couple boxes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff out too. Look at that. Alright. I'm going to test the tire pressure in that thing too. Yeah, it's kind of screwed down in there. That's alright. That came off faster.
You want to check it first? Or
yeah, I'll check first. Yeah. Oh, come on now. Yeah, it needs some air. I'll get some air in it real quick. You're welcome.
back in the trunk, or are we going to need the trunk?
The what?
You think I can put those boxes back in the trunk now, or?
Yeah, you can. The flat tire might have to go in the back seat.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, right there. All right. Let's see. That looks right. Gotta love it when they cut the grass here. Okay. Gotta love it when they cut the grass here. go. Alright. Whew, that is good. Alright. Gotta be careful with this. Let's see. Yeah, you could possibly just put it where the spare tire used to be. Yeah. Should be able to slide here. Let me get.
Miami to Tennessee right now.
Miami to Tennessee?
Yeah.
Sounds like a good drive. Yeah. Yeah. Might have to find like the nearest 24/7 tire shop. Yeah. It's on there. Alright. Come on, close. Thank you. There you go. And this can go somewhere. Yeah, there you go. Alright, and you're good to go. Plenty of space to slow down, move over. Alright. 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 Well, you're all set. Yes, sir.
This is like a town right here, right?
Yeah, Byron. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, no problem. Drive safe.
You want some Home Depot boxes by chance?
Oh, no, I'm good. Alright. You too, man. Okay, mark complete. I just wait for him to pull out. But he's good to go. He's gonna go to the nearest 24/7 tire shop so that you can get a new tire. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, concerns, suggestions. And as always, y'all have a great day, and God bless. Alright, y'all, so this is a continuation of this video. I thought I'd go ahead and share this with you guys. Yes, equipment does fail, it does break, and I have to put this one to rest and everything. As you can see, it'll work just like normal, right? Full battery right on here. Seems like it's good and everything, but it's not good. And I'll show you why. I just went out and got another impact. Now, I know some people are going to sit there and critique me over what kind of tools I got and this, that, and the third, but got me a nice nice Craftsman, 700 foot-pounds of torque right here. And I'll show you exactly what's going on with this one and why this one is getting put to rest. So if I grab a socket and I plug it up in here, and I hold on to this, I feel the impact and everything, but it's not spinning. So it does have some impact in it, but there are gears in here that I already took it apart and looked at it. There are gears in here, and some of the gears are actually destroyed in it. So this thing is basically junk. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this piece out and take this to a battery place for them to recycle it or whatever they are going to do with it. So I went out and got this nice brushless Craftsman drill, and it's pretty nice too, full battery and everything. So I bought this. So this is going to be the new addition to all the tire changes that I do and all the repairs that I do. So yep, I went out and got a new impact. So it kind of sucks that this one died on me. I am going to contact the seller for this, because I only had this for about 3.5 months, and I'm not sure if there's any kind of 1-year warranty or anything on it. So I'm just going to junk it if I can't get in contact with the seller on this. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video overall. You can see on the video when this thing actually did fail. So yep, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless.